Okay, this is my attempt to show you how I'm going to disassemble the beehive and check and see how the bees are doing. What I read is you do everything in slow motion. Give it a couple of puffs through the front gate. You can see. I'll give it a couple of puffs to see if I can get them all calmed down. I've heard that you buy these from the beekeeping people and they say it's the best tool to get and they recommend not getting anything else. After buying this, I see stuff at Lowe's and Home Depot will work just as well for a third the price. You see this beehive is pretty active. Got a lot of bees. A lot of bees. Let's drive them all down in the hive. A little puff of smoke. So we can remove this top one and see how they're doing. They're not progressing as quickly as I would like to see them progress as far as building comb and honey. They're building comb here and honey. Not a honey there. I'm starting building. Don't come over here. You're going to get stung. That's my grandson. He wants to see what's going on. There's a lot of comb in the bottom, and I'll show you this on the second cell. This one is really full. You can see it's heavy. Nearly completely full of honey. These are doing very well. I can look on the inside of this one. I can see that this one is completely full. And they have built some comb burrs. Out onto between the hives. So let's see if we can get a few of these bees to go down in there. They're not as aggressive as they usually are out here. They have been usually extremely aggressive lately. And that's because of the hive beetles that made them so aggressive. But I've taken care of most of the hive beetles, so hopefully they've calmed down a bit. Oh, you can really hear them buzzing. Really hear them buzzing. As you can see, they've built up comb outside the hive, in between the hives. I want them to stay calm today. Really do. They have haven't been calm lately. Very aggressive. But I don't see any indication of hive beetles. Like I said, they build up a lot of comb here outside the hive. There's one that's a little fussy. Sure what's going on there, but let's just take that off and see. This looks like, not quite sure what this is, but hopefully somebody that's watching can help me out with it. I'm a new beehive keeper, so learning every day. I was outside on one of the frames. Take this off and see if there's any beetles. This has got vegetable oil, and as you can see, there are some beetles in it. They have caught a few, not many, but some. I want to take a look and see. Oh, right there. I would like to pull one of these out and take a look, just to see what kind of condition they're in. See if there's building brood down here. I see that they built brood in between these combs. They've actually stuck them together. I don't know if that's, I'll tear them apart and then lift this one frame out so we can see what's going on there. That'd be something else, maybe somebody that's a real expert and knows what they're doing and give me some advice on it. Let's just pop this middle one out here. Good. And I'm pretty sure I'll hear to take all the frames out one at a time and inspect them, see what's going on. Let's take this one out and just see what we got. Oh, lots of bees. There are some brood there, but there's nothing in the center here, just out around the edges. And there's honeycomb down here that's got me concerned. These are kept nice. I don't see any problems there. But the ones on the bottom really bother me with this extra comb down here. I'm not sure if that's hive comb or that's they're building queen cells. Don't look like queen cells. It looks like honeycomb cells. It does look like honeycomb cells. So we'll stick this one back in there. Smoke her up a little bit more here. Getting a lot of bees on my suit. I don't want to get stung through the suit, because they will do that. But they seem to be real calm right now. Let's run them down there. Probably over smoking them according to some people. But I do want to see the rest of the hive and see what we can get. Take a look at this one. You'll see some brood, but not a lot in that one cell. Are angry, some of them. Oh, nice honey. Nice honey, nice brood. Some brood cells in here, spotted. Nice honey around the corners. Brood cells in the front. Haven't seen a queen. Don't even know what I'm looking for when I'm looking for the queen, but I'm trying to learn. They say don't look directly at it, kind of look away and then look back and just generally look at it and she'll pop out, but I don't see her popping out. Anyway, I'll have to get an expert out here to show me exactly what I'm looking for when I'm looking for the queen. It looks like they are making brood cells. I don't know what these light colored cells are and then the dark colored cells. So hopefully somebody can tell me what the difference between the light cells and the dark cells and what that it means for my hive. Squished bugs. These cheated are kind of upset with me in a way. There we go. Now, what I have to do is, let me put this back in, see if we can catch some more beetles. That's not full, so let's see if we can catch some more beetles in this one. Trying to without this building oil into the honey. That's what this is for. There you go. There it's scattering a bit there. So now I can push it down about squashing. Squash one in. Sorry about that. Workers' comp. Okay. Get these all gone so I can set the cell on top now. Over smoking the hive probably. So set it down, slide it so I don't squash any of these little guys. Try to anyway. Looks like a good fit. Good fit. Now, put the top on. First thing I have to do though is get these little guys off the top so they don't get squashed. So, let's smoke them out of the way. There we go. These guys, just fall right on in there. There you go. Oh, there's a bunch of dead bees there. I killed them somehow. Too many. Sorry. Slide this right here. And before we get real crazy with this, let's just scoop these few out of the way. They don't like being swept at all. They get really ugly. Set this back on top. So that's it for the inspection. Hopefully you took a look at some of the combs in there and took a look at some of the cells, especially the dark cells and the light cells, and I don't understand why there's two different color brood in there. I hope I haven't lost the queen and that the bees are making bees, but I didn't see any queen cells being made either, so but hopefully there's an expert out there who can give me some advice. Thank you.